prices in crypto can change very fast. Recently, some experts predict that Dogecoin could reach $3 soon. At the same time, many believe that Remitix has even greater potential. Some analysts claim Remitix could turn a $500 investment into $15,000. This news has many investors checking the numbers and watching price trends. People now compare tokens based on real use and growth. Many say Remitix is one of the best cryptos to buy for long-term gains, and its current DFE coin price is very attractive. Dogecoin, aiming for $3, Dogecoin has always caught many eyes. Its price action has drawn a lot of attention from both new and old investors. Recent Dogecoin news suggests that it may reach $3 if current trends continue. Some experts expect Dogecoin to grow by about 10x in the next few months. They point to strong community support and the brand's recognition as key reasons for this prediction. The current Dogecoin price shows mixed signals. Many investors check Dogecoin news reports and price predictions before making a move. Even with some ups and downs, the token remains popular. Still, some investors worry about long-term growth and see the risk of further drops. With so many opinions, the Dogecoin price prediction remains a topic of lively debate among crypto fans. Remitix, a payment solution with explosive growth. Remitix stands out because it solves a real problem in global payments. Traditional methods for sending money across borders are slow and expensive. Remitix offers a new system that cuts costs and speeds up transactions. It helps people send money in a simple way that fits modern needs. Many investors now see Remitix as a strong token with clear, practical use. The project has already delivered strong returns. Early investors have seen over 200% gains on Remitix. With its current DFE coin price at around $0.0567, many say Remitix is one of the best cryptos to buy. Some experts predict that Remitix could turn a $500 investment into $15,000. This means a 30x increase in value, a bold claim that catches the eye of smart investors. Remitix is not just a token that rides on trends. Its system, called PayFE, brings faster payments by cutting out extra steps in the money transfer process. Remitix helps reduce fees and speeds up transactions by working with modern digital tools. It also works well with many payment methods, making it easier for businesses and individuals to send money globally. New reports show that investors have a lot of faith in its promise. The team behind Remitix takes security seriously. They have checked their smart contracts and locked liquidity pools and team tokens for 3 years. These actions build trust and show that Remitix is built for long-term growth. Many investors believe that a project that fixes real payment problems stands a better chance of strong gains. Remitix offers a way to make everyday transactions faster and cheaper, which could bring more users and drive up the token's value. Reports on Remitix note that its practical design and strong early performance make it a standout in the crowded crypto space. This new DFE project has drawn interest from those who want more than just a meme token. Its clear use in cutting costs and saving time makes it an attractive choice for anyone looking to build a solid portfolio. As more businesses move to digital payments, Remitix may help bridge the gap between old and new finance. Recent price trends show that Dogecoin might reach $3 soon. However, many investors now point to Remitix as a token with even greater potential. While Dogecoin has its appeal and strong community support, its future growth is debated. Remitix, with its practical solution for fast, low-cost payments, stands out as a token built for real-world use. With its current DFE coin price of around $0.0567, Remitix is seen as one of the best cryptos to buy for long-term gains. Some experts believe that Remitix could turn $500 into $15,000, a bold claim that excites smart investors. Investors now have clear choices. They can follow Dogecoin news and price predictions or focus on tokens that offer tangible benefits. Remitix shows strong promise because it fixes a real problem in global finance. As the world moves toward faster and more efficient payment systems, Remitix may lead the way in digital finance. In a market where practical solutions matter, Remitix stands out. Its ability to cut fees and speed up payments makes it a key player for the future. For those planning their portfolios, the choice seems clear. Remitix offers strong growth and solid value, making it a promising token to watch in the coming months.